pay yourself first. Before rent, before bills, before anything else. It's the most repeated piece of financial advice out there, and almost nobody actually does it right. Here's what it really means and why it changes everything. Most people do money backwards. Paycheck lands, rent goes out, bills go out, groceries go out, and whatever's left, if anything, gets saved, which means saving becomes optional, and optional things rarely happen. Paying yourself first flips that order. The moment your paycheck lands, a percentage, even just 10%, moves straight into savings or investments before you touch a single bill. Not because bills don't matter. They do. But your future deserves the same priority as your landlord. Here's the part people miss. This only works if it's automatic. Willpower always loses eventually because life finds a reason to spend that money first. So, set the transfer for the exact day you get paid. If the money's never sitting in your checking account, you'll never be tempted to spend it. You'll simply learn to live on what's left. And that quiet, boring habit is exactly how real wealth gets built. You don't rise to the level of your income, you fall to the level of your habits. Pay yourself first and let everything else fight for what's left. If this helped, hit subscribe. More advice like this every week